afternoon everyone. In previous video, we were discussing property of the material. We have discussed one property, that is the luster. What is the luster? The shine of a material is called the luster. A material that shine or appear shiny are called the lustrous material. For example, gold, silver, iron, these are the examples of the lustrous object. And we have discussed that one, a material that do not shine or appear dull are called the non-lustrous materials. For example, paper, rubber, wood, cardboard are few examples of the non-lustrous materials. And now second property is hardness. Hardness, material can be hard or soft. There are the two types of material. One is the soft, one is the hard. Materials that are easy to compress. Material that are easy to compress are called soft materials. Very simple definition: hardness, material that are easy to compress are called the soft materials. For example, this is cotton. You can compress easily. Okay, this is the soft material, yeah, hard. This is the soft material. What is the definition? Definition: material that are easy to compress are called the soft materials. Now second definition: materials that do not compress easily are called hard material. Now this is the scale. It is made up of iron. Now you compress it. It can't compress. So it is known as the hard material. For example, you can compress this stake. This is the hard. So there are the two types of the material. Materials that are easy to compress are called the soft materials, and materials that are difficult to compress, yet do not compress easily, are called the hard materials. For example, soft material, ear pillow, or pillows, teddy bears, etc. And hard materials are the stones, hammers, wood, iron. These are the example of hard materials. Next is texture. Texture of a substance is how it feels when touched. Now you see, I'm touching this thermocol sheet. I felt, I'm feeling that this surface is something is bounce is there and irregular or uneven surface. Based on the texture, material can be grouped as rough or smooth surface. Material that have the uneven or irregular surface. Materials that have uneven or irregular surface are called rough material. Material that have uneven or irregular surface are called the rough material. Surface of the rough material, this is the surface of rough material, have the bumps that can be felt upon touching. When we touch it, we felt it. Okay, there is the bump. Material that have even surface. Materials that have even surface are called smooth surface, smooth materials. Upon the texture, there are the two types of the materials. What is the texture? Texture of a substance, how it feel when touched. Based on the texture, material can be divided into two parts, that is the rough materials or smooth materials. Materials that have uneven or irregular surfaces are called rough materials, and materials that have even surface are called smooth materials. Surface of the rough materials have the bumps that can be felt upon touching. Materials that have even surface are called the smooth materials. Surface of the smooth materials do not have bumps. For example, soft materials, pearls, fetters, and rough materials, that is the rock, wood. These are the examples. Now I am giving some examples. You will tell. Wood, rough surface or smooth surface. Wood is having the rough surface, a smooth surface. First of all, you see, feel it with the help of your finger, and then you give your answer. Wood is a rough surface. If I am saying this glass, it has the rough surface here, smooth surface. There are some lines on the glass, that's why it has the rough surface. Now this thermocol sheet, it has some bumps or irregular irregularities or uneven surface, that is known as rough surface. Second is petals. Petals is rough surface or smooth surface? Answer is smooth surface. Now another example, this is having rough surface or smooth surface? This is having a rough surface. Okay, I think you have clear. Texture is clear. Texture divided into two parts. One is the rough material, second is the smooth materials. Rough materials, material that have uneven or irregular surfaces, are called the rough materials. Okay, now you learn these definitions and you write 5 rough materials and 5 smooth materials. Write in your rough notebook and you send me.